Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to SRMJV online teaching Ekaleva. Kids, today we are going to see a new lesson, an ideal home. In this lesson, we are going to see different types of houses. A house is made up of walls and beams, and a home is made up of loves and dreams. So, in this lesson, types of houses and the materials we are going to see. Before that, what are the objectives we are going to see in this lesson? Let us see. First, we are going to see why do we need a house. Next, we are going to see types of houses. Next, building materials. A neat and tidy house. Garbage dispersal and decorating shelter. First, we are going to see why do we need a house. Why do we need a house? After working a whole day, we are allowed to go to our home. Why? Because we will be safe and secure at our home, and we will be comfortable at our home. Yes? So, everybody need a home. Yes? Because we will be feel safe and comfortable. So, next we are going to see types of houses. There are many types of houses depending upon the climate and the material what we are getting and the places. So, depending upon the materials we are building a houses, and due to the locations also, like mountains, plains, forests and deserts. First, we are going to see about igloos. Igloos are made up of ice. These igloos are built by the Eskimos. These Eskimos will build the houses when they are far away from their home for hunting process. Mostly, these walls of the igloos will protect from the wind outside. Next, we are going to see about stilt houses. Stilt house. Stilt house made up of logs. You can see here, with the help of logs, they will build this stilt house. These houses are raised over the surface of the soil or a body of water. Mostly, Assam people will build this type of houses, and they will be safe from the wild animals. Next, we are going to see about tent house. Tent house, it is a temporary houses. Tent house are made up of canvas or nylons. These canvas or nylons will protect from odds and rain. Wherever we are going, we can take this tent house with us. These tent houses are mostly used in the emergency cases and like war, earthquake, adventure, travel, etc. Next, we are going to see about mud houses. These mud houses are mostly built in the hot places such as deserts. In India, Rajasthan, we can see this type of mud houses. These remain cool from inside even in hot summer. Next, we are going to see about houseboats. Houseboats are floating boats in the form of houses. What are the facilities we are getting in the house? In the same way, all the facilities will be in these boat houses. These boat houses we can see mostly in Kashmir and in Kerala. Next, we are going to see about caravans. Caravans means homes on wheels. In olden days, these caravans are used by the traders. Wherever they will go, they will use these caravans with the help of horses. Next, we are going to see about multi-story building. Nowadays, we can see this multi-story building everywhere. People live in bungalows, flats and cities, and it is also called as a permanent houses. So, now we have finished the types of houses. Next, we are going to see the building materials. To build a different types of houses, we need different types of materials. If you want to build the igloos, means we need ices. In Iceland, we can't build a multi-story building, but we can build the igloos. Why? Because the material what we are getting in Iceland, depending upon that. So, for building a multi-story building, we need bricks, cement, concrete, sand, steel, glass, plastic, wood and tiles. So depending upon the material and the climate, these types of houses are built. Next we are going to see a neat and tidy houses. A neat and tidy houses. We all like to keep our houses clean and tidy. Yes? So how we can keep? Yes, by need to clean our house regularly. We need to clean our house regularly. What are the methods to clean? By sweeping, dusting and mopping. We want to clean our house by sweeping, dusting and mopping. And removing the cobwebs, cleaning the cupboards and changing these bed sheets will keep our house neat and tidy. Not only that, place the things after use at the right places. You all love to play with the toys. After playing, you should not scatter the toys. You should place the toys wherever you are taking. So, you should not scatter the things around and keep the washrooms dry and clean. If you do all these methods, our house will be neat and tidy. Next, we are going to see about garbage dispersal. So, for keep the neat house, we need garbage dispersal process also. So we should not throw the garbage on the roadsides. We should put the garbage only in the bins. Here you can see two types of bins. One is green and one is blue bins. So what is the use of this? You can see we can separate into two groups. One is green, another one is blue. Vegetables and fruits, peels, eggs, shells can be put into a green bin, because it can use as a fertilizer. Next, plastic, metal and glass can be put into a blue bin. This can be recycle process. It will be easy to recycle process. And this green bin we can use as a fertilizer. So if you do in this way, it will be very useful to recycling process. Next, remove the garbage from our home every day. Never litter your neighborhood. If you litter your neighborhood on the roadside or in roadsides, what will happen? Yes, garbage heaps becomes a breeding ground for germs, flies and mosquitoes, and it causes disease like dengue and malaria. So we should not throw the garbage on the roadsides. Okay, we should be safe and secure. Next, we are going to see decorating the shelter. We all like a lovely home, it should be decorated, yes. So how we can do that? With the help of flowers, lights and leaves, yes. So we all like to live in a beautiful homes. It look attractive by decorating. During Diwali, we all decorated our house with the help of lights, yes. In the same way, we should be keep our house beautiful. So, Rangoli at the entrance of the house brings happiness and prosperity. Every day we want to put Rangoli. For what process? It brings prosperity to our houses. So, Rangoli at the entrance of the houses brings prosperity. Next, festival time we should decorate with the leaves and flowers. We all decorate our houses with leaves, decorate and flowers. Yes. So, it makes the home beautiful. So painting to decorate the walls. If you all do this, our home will be beautiful. Yes. So kids, up to this we have finished our lesson. So to receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.